Hello everybody, today I want to tell you how to configure email or Gmail in your Laravel application. So first of all, you need to go to laravel.com, go to document, and then you go to digging deeper and find for email. Okay, in here we can configure email client as you want, but I think everything done already, so I just create one Laravel application. Just wait it will be finished soon. Just wait for it. Please wait for it. This is total new Laravel application, so it will start from the beginning. Oh my god. I don't need npm. It ran already. Let's wait it. Okay, it done. So I want to rename it starter. Okay, I rename project to Laravel 12. Okay, cd Laravel 12. Alright, let's get started. I open Visual Studio Code. Let me run it. PHP artisan share. Okay, it start. Okay, let me run it. So I will add one route here. Indicate it's send. So I go to, let me try this project. Okay, let route web. I create one. Okay, here send. But here I need to change. Return send. Email send. Okay, let's try. Email send. Great. Okay, go to official document. Let me configure. We go to env and then we go to email here. For email, for mailer we use SMTP schema. Okay, we use your null. For host we use smtp.gmail.com. For port we use 587. Username I use my email name and outlook.com. Sorry, this is Gmail. Alright, password I will generate from Gmail. Okay, let me go to Gmail. If you don't know where to generate, can go here. Okay, I open Chrome and select my account, this one, remote at Gmail. Okay, I pass it here. This is what I test Laravel mail. I just name it like this. For the link I will copy for you. I will send for you. Copy this password to put in my Laravel project. The password we no need space in here. Save. Okay, save. After that we go to create mailer. Okay, wait. Okay, we make mail here. So we create a command. I create command here. Okay, here I use a test mail. Okay, test mail enter. Alright, we will create one mail here. You see, mail here. Okay, here's name test mail. from Laravel 12. Okay, here view.name show you is I create folder mail dot test mail. Just view name like this. So I create folder in view result view. Here name mail. Okay, sorry, this is folder, not file. Mail. Yes, already have view mail, and then one create mail dot blade dot php. I just type HTML file and then p. This is email sent from Laravel 12. I save it. Okay, this is done. Save. I close it. I close it. Close it. Alright, so we go to next step. We go to mail send. Here the instruction if you want to interact with your database content, but this is a Java and no need to interact with our database. Okay, I just send normal email. So I just go to find a controller. Okay, this is controller. I copy it. I paste here. Remember these two. This send. Okay, let me do like this. Easy. Okay, two. So two. By default address is using with array, so I send to name at outlook.com. Also, I can add more than one email MUTK. Okay, just save. Order. This is new order, but I not use order. Of course, I use mail.test. New test mail. Okay, just like this, and then I call use app slash mail slash this one. Close. Okay, let's try. Enter. Okay, let's go to check Outlook and go to check. This is Gmail. Alright, you see here, so I can get the email address here. For example, if I change any content here, here, if I add h1, it works, and then I send again. Okay, let's check. Here it's coming, it works. So I think that's all. I hope that you can do it here. Also can receive, you see it works. And you can check the email address from Laravel, you see here, from Gmail, you see, you can see here. Alright, okay, so I think this is at all. So I hope that you can understand it clearly. If you, I mean that if you don't understand, you can comment in here. For the link to generate a password, I will send you, no worry, I will send you. Or Oh, I put in email description. Sorry, I put in video description. Thanks for watching. I hope that you can help me to subscribe my channel.